In today's stream and past couple of streams, we are exploring the Chirp SDK. Chirp SDK is nothing but transmitting a data over sound. So we have integrated this Chirp SDK into this Flutter application. So what is this application is doing is, once I click this angular red, it's sending this angular red hex value in audio signal. So if I click this angular red, you should be hearing some robotic audio signal that has this hex value of this red color. And I have another Python program running in this MacBook Pro. So this Python is listening that audio signal, and if it has the data, then it's extracting that hex value and calling my Philips HUE Bridge API to set the color of the light you are seeing in here. Right. So now I'm going to click this angular red. You see the values are decoded in this Python, and the color of the light is changed. I can do React Blue, and I can change the color to View Green, and now I'm changing the color to Chirp Yellow. So not only like it works in Wi-Fi, even if I disable the Wi-Fi, since like the data is transmitting over the sound, this is the ideal real use case for like the IoT devices, specifically on like remote area or non-network reachable area, right? So if I click that, the data is transmitting over sound and it's setting the color of the light. And thanks for coming and watching. I really appreciate. And if you get a chance to see this video later, thanks for watching this, and please do join in my stream, twitch.tv/ksivamuthu. Thanks for coming. Thank you.